Did you know that a bird's beak is as unique as a human fingerprint? Each species has a beak uniquely adapted to its diet and lifestyle. Just as we use our hands to manipulate our environment, birds use their beaks in a similar fashion, but with a twist. These beaks, shaped by millions of years of evolution, are as diverse as the birds themselves, each one perfectly suited to the bird's needs and habits. Today, we embark on a journey, a voyage of discovery into the world of avian adaptation. We'll be exploring the 10 most unique, most spectacular beaks in the bird kingdom, each one a testament to nature's ingenuity. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 birds with the most fascinating beaks in the world. Starting at number 10, we have the red crossbill. This striking bird sports a distinctive beak, the tips of which cross over each other. The reason behind this unusual feature, it's all about their food. You see, the red crossbill has a unique diet, focusing predominantly on conifer cones. But to get to the seeds inside these cones, they need a special tool. That's where their beak comes into play. The crossing at the tip allows the bird to get a firm grip on the cone, prying it open to get to the nutritious seeds within. This adaptation showcases the beauty of nature's design, creating the perfect tool for the job. It's a marvel of evolution that allows the red crossbill to thrive in its coniferous forest habitats. So, the red crossbill's unique beak is a perfect tool for its preferred diet. Coming in at number 9 is the American avocet. This bird is a true marvel of evolution, boasting a beak that's as unique as it is functional. Long, thin, and elegantly curved upwards, it's a sight to behold. But this beak isn't just for show. It serves a very important purpose. The American avocet uses this distinctive beak to sweep the water in a side-to-side motion. This methodical movement stirs up any tiny aquatic life hiding beneath the surface. Crustaceans, insects, and other small creatures don't stand a chance when the avocet is on the hunt. The beak's upward curve and thin shape are perfectly designed for this action, allowing the bird to keep its bill submerged while its head stays above water. It's a brilliant example of how nature tailors its creations to their environments. The American avocet's beak is a classic example of form following function. At number 8, we have the Shoebillstor, a bird that is as intriguing as its name suggests. This bird is a spectacle in itself, and the most distinctive feature that sets it apart from the rest is its beak. It's a large, bulbous contraption that, as you might have guessed, resembles a shoe. The Shoebillstork's beak is a highly effective tool for survival. It uses this beak, which is incredibly strong and sharp, to catch and kill its prey. The prey, often fish or small reptiles, is caught in a vice-like grip, and with a swift clamping motion, the stork delivers the fatal blow. This bird is a living testament to the wonders of evolution and the survival of the fittest. The Shoebillstork's beak is not just unique, it's a deadly weapon. Coming in at number 7 is the American white pelican. This large aquatic soaring bird from the wilderness of North America is renowned for its enormous bill and expandable pouch. The bill, striking in its size, can grow up to 18 inches in length, making it one of the longest beaks in the avian world. But it's not just about size, it's about function too. The lower part of the pelican's bill is flexible and can expand to form a large pouch. This pouch serves a very specific purpose. When hunting, the pelican will dive into water using its beak like a net to scoop up fish. It then drains the water from its pouch before swallowing the fish whole. Truly, the American white pelican's beak is a marvel of natural engineering. It's a perfect example of how form follows function in the natural world. The American white pelican's beak is a natural fishing net. At number 6, we have the Rosat Spoonbill. This exotic bird is easily recognizable with its bubblegum pink feathers and long, flat, spoon-shaped beak. It serves a practical purpose, making the Rosat Spoonbill a master at sifting through mud to find food. Let's dive deeper into this bird's unique dining style. Spoonbills use a side-to-side motion with their beak to stir up the water and mud. This movement helps to expose small invertebrates, its main diet, hiding beneath the surface. The beak's shape helps the bird to scoop up a mouthful of mud and water. Then, with a swift upward flick, the spoonbill drains the water, leaving behind a tasty morsel. The beak's design is truly one of nature's marvels. It is a testament to how perfectly adapted a creature can be to its environment and food source. The Rosat Spoonbill's beak is a perfect example of nature's ingenuity. Coming in at number 5 is the long-billed curlew. This bird is a sight to behold, with one of the most distinctive beaks in the bird kingdom. The curlew's beak, as the name suggests, is incredibly long and curves downwards, creating an almost crescent-like shape. But this isn't just for show. The curlew's beak serves a very important purpose. The curlew uses its uniquely shaped beak to probe deep into the soil, seeking out invertebrates that other birds might not be able to reach. It's a spectacular demonstration of nature's ingenuity, the beak acting like a specialized tool, perfectly designed for the job at hand. When it comes to mealtime, the curlew's long bill gives it a distinct advantage, allowing it to feast on a diet that other birds can only dream of. So while it may seem unusual, the long-billed curlew's beak is a marvel of nature's design. At number 4, we have the flamingo. Now here's a bird with a beak that's a marvel of natural engineering. The flamingo's beak, unlike any other, bends downward, ending with a distinctive hook tip. But this isn't merely an aesthetic feature, oh no, it's a key tool in the bird's survival. This extraordinary beak design is perfectly suited for the flamingo's unique feeding style known as filter feeding. Flamingos dip their beaks upside down in the water to scoop up their meals, which consist of tiny organisms like algae, crustaceans, and small fish. The water and unwanted debris are then expelled out while the food remains trapped by the beak's comb-like structures. It's a fascinating process that showcases the flamingo's unique adaptation to its environment. So the next time you spot a flamingo gracefully wading through the water, remember, it's not just about the pink feathers and the one-legged stance. The flamingo's beak is a perfect example of adaptation to a unique feeding style. Coming in at number 3 is the Toco Toucan. This awe-inspiring bird boasts the longest beak in relation to body size of any bird in the world. The Toco Toucan's beak, a vibrant amalgamation of orange, red, and black, stretches up to 7.5 inches. That's almost half of its body length. But this beak isn't just for show. It's a versatile tool that enables the toucan to reach for distant fruits, its primary food source. Imagine having a dinner fork nearly as long as your arm, and you'll get a sense of just how useful this enormous beak can be. The Toco Toucan also uses its beak to regulate body temperature. By adjusting blood flow to the beak, it can lose heat in the warm tropical climates it calls home. The Toco Toucan's beak is a perfect example of nature's extravagance. This bird's unique adaptation is not only beautiful but also remarkably functional. At number 2, we have the great hornbill. This majestic bird boasts an enormous, brightly colored beak, a sight that is genuinely hard to miss. But the beak's grandeur is not just for show. It serves as a powerful tool in the great hornbill's daily life. On top of the beak sits a large structure known as a casque. This casque amplifies the bird's calls, turning the great hornbill into a living, breathing megaphone. The casque also serves as a weapon. When two male hornbills clash over territory, their casques become their swords, used in dramatic aerial battles. But the beak isn't just for brawling. It's also a precision tool, perfect for picking fruit from trees. The great hornbill's favorite treat, figs. They can skillfully pluck these fruits mid-flight, demonstrating the beak's extraordinary dexterity. The great hornbill's beak is nature's multi-tool. It is a testament to nature's ingenuity, a tool designed for communication, combat, and consumption. And finally, at number 1, we have the rhinoceros hornbill. This bird, native to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, is recognized by its massive beak and prominent casque, or horn, on top of the beak. The beak and casque combined can make up to 1/3 of the bird's total length. This impressive feature isn't just for show. It serves a crucial purpose in the bird's communication. The hollow casque acts as an amplifier, enabling the hornbill's calls to echo through the dense rainforest. It's like the bird has its own built-in loudspeaker. But that's not all. The rhinoceros hornbill also uses its beak and casque in courtship displays, drumming on hollow trees to attract a mate. The rhinoceros hornbill's beak is a tool, a communication device, and a symbol of attraction all rolled into one. The rhinoceros hornbill's beak is truly one of a kind, just like the bird itself. So there you have it, the top 10 birds with the most unique beaks worldwide. We've seen the red crossbill's peculiar crossed beak and the American avocet's upward curve, ideal for sifting through mud and water for food. The shoebill stork's shoe-shaped beak that snatches fish from the water, and the American white pelican's large pouch used for scooping up fish. Every beak tells a story of adaptation and survival. We've admired the Rosat Spoonbill's spoon-like beak, the long-billed curlew's downward curve, the iconic curve of the flamingo, the vibrant bill of the Toco Toucan, the great hornbill's casque, And finally, the majestic horn of the rhinoceros hornbill. Each beak, a testament to nature's ingenuity, perfectly designed for their survival. Next time you see a bird, take a moment to appreciate its beak, a marvel of nature's design.